Hi friends, in this video let us see how to sum cells across different sheets. For example, here I have the data of sales by employee wise for each month in a separate worksheet. If we want to have the sum of all month sales in the first sheet, which is a summary sheet, general basic learner of Excel would use this sum function and manually select all the 12 sheets. But what if you have hundreds of sheets like this? Will that be feasible? As an Excel pro, you should be using this 3D sum formula which sums the Excel's cells across different sheets. So here in cell G4 of every sheet, I have taken the value as 1 so that it would be easy for you to understand that this trick is working perfectly fine. Go to the first sheet, which is the summary sheet. In the cell G4 cell, type the formula as equals to sum, open the parenthesis and select G4 of Jan 22 sheet. And now before the second apostrophe type colon December 22 apostrophe and close the parenthesis at the end and press enter. So by typing the colon December 22, we are telling Excel to use the sum function to add the values in G4 of all sheets from January to December 22. The total of 12 months will be the result, which is 12 here. That is exactly right. And simply drag the same formula to the rest of the cells in the column to get the desired result, which is summing all the sheets respective cells. Got it, friends? So in this way you can use the 3D sum formula with sum cells across different sheets. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.